and Mexico. No doubt about it, the wall itself with the all-included infrastructure for doubling as an approximately 1,000-mile high-speed rail line would cost significantly more than $8 billion, estimated at around $50 to $55 billion, factoring in the cost of the 800-mile, $64 billion California high-speed rail project, minus all the tunnel boring and all the land acquisition. At the highest estimate of $55 billion for the train wall through conventional steel-wheeled bullet trains, that's still 65 times less than the estimated $3.6 trillion cost it will take to repair our nation's infrastructure, and 109 times less than the long-term cost of the Iraq War at $6 trillion. Not exactly the most expensive thing in the world that Mexico is apparently paying for. Now, when it comes to the actual infrastructure itself, the plan seems to stick on using a conventional bullet train rather than a maglev train, since conventional steel-wheel trains can nimbly navigate around some of the tricky places where this wall is going to go. The plan calls for using decommissioned nuclear vessels at both ends to act as power plants, as well as other nuclear plants at certain intervals to power the trains and cities around it. There are also some outlets where the tracks will be able to split to go north into major cities and connect with other systems such as the Texas Central Railway system that's planning to connect Dallas to Houston, and the California high-speed rail system in construction. Now, if by any chance you don't know about those projects or you want to see more, click on either side of me to be able to see about the Texas Central Railway project or the California high-speed rail project. Take your pick. Again, there may most likely be some places where the actual rail may have to deviate from the wall itself due to some really difficult spots where the current border runs now. It's not all desert like they show on TV. There's literally houses right on the side of it. For building something this massive, it's more than possible. Henry Flagler built the Overseas Railroad in the early 20th century to connect Miami and Key West. That used to